As I said, don't cut corners on the solicitor, but you should look for one very early on, because once things start moving, they start moving really fast. So once the offer is accepted, we'll get the solicitor involved, and then we'll complete what's called a full mortgage application. This is when the bank or the lender starts to ask for the information to validate the information that was put in at the agreement in principle stage. So they'll usually ask for 3 months pay slips, 3 months bank statements. They'll ask for proof of identification. They may ask for other things. If there's anyone above the age of 18 living in that property, that person will have to sign what's called a deed of consent. So this is the point where they start to gather all of the information to make the full mortgage offer. The full mortgage offer can take 1 week, 2 weeks. It shouldn't take more than 3 weeks for the underwriters to start doing that process. As part of that process, they're going to do a valuation. So the valuation is not a survey. The valuation is the bank assessing how much they think the property is worth. This is also why it's so important that you negotiate well, because the house that you're buying, you may have had an offer accepted for $400,000, but the bank might go out there and say, nope, we think it's worth $380,000. Then you're going to have a problem because there's a £20,000 gap. So you're going to do the valuation. Some lenders charge for the valuation. Some products come with a free valuation. The bank will then come back and say, yes, we think it's worth what you're paying for it. Then what they'll be able to do is finish the underwriting and do the full mortgage offer. Once they've made the offer is usually good for about 6 months.